So this is my Dewalt planer. It's DW735. I get bad snipes on this, but I was as I was going through some comments and back and forth with a couple users that left comments about their experience with this. A couple of people mentioned that this sometimes you don't get snipe, and one of the users commenters was saying that he's not getting any snipes on this. So long story short, I'm wondering if this, based on what they shared, if the gap between the height of the two rollers, in feet, out feet rollers, and the lowest position that I can get the blade to, and the gap between that line between the rollers and the knife is a contributing factor. So now I can stick this feeler gauge in without scraping the knife, just snug. This is 28,000th of an inch. So if the users that have the same machine and not getting any snipes can measure the gap between the blade lowest position at its lowest position and the in feet out feet roller where they are, straight line between the two, that'll give us some clue as to whether this is a contributing factor or not. So I'll share this out and collect some information and data points and see if it is a suspect, and if it is, then probably start messing around with the height of these rollers and see if I can fix it.